Today the topic of discussion is in singly circular linked list we'll study how to insert a node at the beginning. Fine. So that is, you have already a singly circular linked list and you have to insert a node at the beginning. So prior to this we have already studied how to create a singly circular linked list, and in that we have seen the menu, and after that in second video we have seen how to print linked list, and in that we have seen menu. Again we'll see the linked list and how to insert, and menu of both main menu and insert menu, because insert do have a menu. Fine. So let's start with menu. So first of all, again I'll move fast because I've already explained these two in create. So I'll request you, if you're directly watching this video, kindly see the create one. Fine. So you have a menu, that is in main. You have created a variable. While one means what? Condition always true. Condition always true. That is, condition is true. So you have different option. For 1 you have create, for 2 you can print, for 3 you insert, for 4 you delete, for 5 you can exit. What is your choice? Somebody is asking. You said my job is to insert, so you press 3. So ch will have 3, switch will have 3, case 3 is calling an insert function. So again, so finally what we are doing, we are calling an insert function. So in insert function, again you have different options. That is, for insert, if you are asking for a chicken, you have a different option for chicken. You want roasted chicken, you want fried chicken, you want gravy chicken, whatever you want. No. So if you want to insert, what do you want to do? Insert at the beginning, insert in the middle, insert in the end. What do you want? But I want to insert in the beginning because my job is to insert in the beginning. Fine. So I'll press 1. ch will have 1, switch will have 1, case 1 will have insert being. That is, I'm calling insert being. The moment I call, and prior to this you have a linked list. You have a linked list, and now you have to create a node which will insert it at the beginning. That is what will happen actually. What will happen? This head will move from this place to this place, because now this will become the first node. Now this tail will not keep the address of this. Tail will keep the address of this node. Why? Because this is going to be the first node. So these changes will happen. So let's see the changes. So you have a coding, that is of insert beginning function, and now you have created a variable node1 of you have created a pointer of node1. So what is node1? I've already clicked that. So what is node1? You have created a structure in order to create a linked list having name node. There are two parts, one data and one pointer, that is address. Address is of type structure because this is a address of a node, and this is called self-referential structure. I've created a variable node1. Why node1? Because I've created a variable of a structure. Now I have type defined it. Type defined means the entire structure is now represented by node1. Why? Because if you have used type defined, you can use node1 as a representative of entire structure. If you will not use type def, then in place of node1 you have to write this complete struct node. Wherever you are watching node1, you have to write this struct node. So in order to simplify the code, what I did, I have type defined it. Now comes the coding. Node1, I have created a pointer temp. Now I have to create a node. So you have a linked list and you have to insert a node at the beginning. So if you have to insert a node, you have to use malloc function in order to create a structure of a. So I have created a pointer and then I have used malloc. Then I have asked malloc to create a size of what? Node1. So what is node1? Having two parts, data and address. So malloc has did this part, and suppose the address of this node is 50 and the address is written to which? Temp, because temp is a pointer. So now temp, since I have created a node, I have to what? I have to insert the data. So I've asked user to enter the data. Suppose user has entered 4. So address of temp data will have 4. Fine. Now this is till here we have completed the coding. Now I have to do the connectivity. Temp next. What is this? Temp, and this is next. Temp next will have head. Definitely now this will get connected. So what is there in head? 100. So here we'll have 100. So this will get connected like this. 100. Let me make it more clearly. 100. Fine. Okay. Now head will move because this is not a first node now. This is the first node. So head will have temp. What is there in temp? 50. So head will have 50. So head will move from this to this. Head will come this. And tail next. What is tail next? This will have head. What is there is head now? 50. So here it will come 50. So this will not point this. This will now point this. So this is how connectivity is taking place. So you can see this. You can exactly see now. You can exactly see what is actually happening. Now temp is will have the address of head. this tail will have address of this, and this will get break. So finally you will have this structure, that is 4 will get connected like this. So I have tried my level best to explain you what this insert beginning is trying to do. So this was entire coding of inserting at beginning of singly circular linked list.